I still love you more. If you love you more, go with him.
Yeah, I want to see him in prison.
All
All of my life. Yung mood ni Jose. Huwag kang bad trip.
One more thing, girl.
Imagine, walang basagan ng trip.
Breaks my heart and leaves me sad.
Why are you in a hurry? Or with your mama, God?
Supposed to do.
Okay, wait. My back, my back. Oh my gosh. Oh, wala, pinatay na yung ilaw ni Daging. Diyos ko. Kahit may gym. Kahit may gym, huwag kayong gym ng gym, ha? Sophia, not yet. Why in a hurry? Wait, quiet first. Before, they used to own that. Baby, they operate. So it's their canteen. Jose, talk. Jose! No, Jose, headset. So before they had the canteen, yung inihaw store, a restaurant. But now, wala na, they rented it out. They rented it out. Can you imagine? Nung meron pa silang canteen, much better, di ba?
God damn this
For a girl. Are you happy with your performance? Ilan na? Walang ano rito. Walang swimming pool. Walang swimming pool. Walang swimming pool. Diyos ko, Johnny. You almost hurt, Mama. Diyos ko. Nakatakot. Johnny, wag na. Baka maano ka. Yung mga veins mo, nakatakot ako.
I want you to know now, like I love you. So won't you stop that every girl
Wait.
breaks my heart to leave me sad.
Wait, Daging!
What am I supposed to do?
Wag mo sirain. Si Daging. Ano siya? Killjoy. Walang hirap if I have a child na killjoy eh. I have a child na killjoy. Ay, Diyos ko. You like it? Oh, you didn't know anymore. Stop to
Go
pray.
with him.
I'm not gonna take that. Don't worry about that.
Stupid, so
Daging, you have my kid. Daging, you have the kid. You have the kid, Daging.
We're gonna crash, bro. I'll beat your ass, boy. Good to go.
My kid, that's why you live na here. You live na with me. Malike na. Meron pa sa sarili ko. Hindi naman yung kasi walang soap. Nasa gilid kasi. Oh, soap.
If you see Miss Big, you know
Magkano?
this, right?
Magkano?